There is some reprieve from the winter chills over here as the sun has come out in full glory. So we have a clear day, less hazy and more clear optics for a very important day here at Industry Talk with CV Magazine. We are of course today stationed at Kotputli in Behror in Rajasthan, which is an important connector between Jaipur and Delhi. This also happens to be Asia's largest trailer manufacturing and service hub, and that is what we are going to focus on today. Today the focus and the spotlight is on a company that started as a small steel trading firm way back in 1999 by Mr. Sitaram Yadav, and today this company has grown into one of the largest manufacturers of commodity transport solutions. So when you talk about tipper solutions, trailer tipper solutions, bulk containers, dry vans, flatbeds, lowboys, all of that happens over here. The foundation stone, of course, of this sprawling facility behind me was laid in 2023, and the company with this 110-acre facility is looking to expand its manufacturing capacity, advanced technology, and be ready to benchmark itself with global competencies. Now, the fact that the company initially started with about 450 units per month, it is targeting an expansion to about 1200 units per month, and going forward there is a headroom to manufacture about 22,000 units per annum. So that's the scale that the company is looking at. Then of course there is the bus side of the business. The company also has a dealership of VinFast, so we will get all those details from the MD and CEO Mr. Vikas Yadav in a short span from now, where we look at the official launch ceremony. We take you through exciting details on what are the kind of advancements made and what are the emerging projections and trends of the trailer industry in India. So all of that coming on Industry Talk with CV Magazine in a short while from now. Now it's time to get a little more serious, show you the depth and breadth of this sprawling facility. This of course is a stepping stone towards the company expanding from about 550 odd units per month to its target of about 22,000 way into the future. This is the foundation stone of that aspiration. Let me take you through some processes. I've broken it down for you for easy understanding. One, of course, the trailer manufacturing, the entire process starts from this side, which is the material selection process. So whether it's high strength steel, whether it's aluminium, all of that comes in from here. There is the very stringent high quality benchmarking done with lightweight material used to increase the efficiency and the load bearing capability of the trailers. Once the material is selected, it goes into the fabrication process. Now in fabrication there is a pretty much ladder frame architecture that the company uses with cross members. This is also used along with the forged I-beams, which is known to have a better load bearing capacity. From there onwards it goes into the welding process, where the company uses methods like sub-arc systems or robotic welding to ensure that the welds are jointless and it's a very sturdy structure. In between all of that, CNC machines do the job, where CNC plasma cutting takes care of metal sheets of up to 15 meters long. So you get a sturdy frame, jointless frame where the trailer walls are built. In a short while from now, in the concluding leg, on that side, I will be showing you the surface treatment and the component integration that completes the entire process, step-by-step process of trailer manufacturing at VST CoreB. So we are here at the shot blasting facility at the VST CoreB plant. Now we've shown you three processes. After that, this is a very, very important process. This is the shot blasting chamber, which pretty much helps you in removing all the impurities of the fabricated material. The fabricated material then goes into the paint booth. In the paint booth, it's ensured that it is well coated and corrosion resistance is of high priority over there. Now if you're looking at transport of salt, for example, you need a high strength steel structure that can withstand that kind of corrosion that salt offers. Beyond that, it goes into the component integration section right at the end of the paint booth. There you are integrating leaf spring assemblies, heavy duty suspensions, the brake chambers, and of course the 2-inch kingpins that are very, very important for the trailers. After that, it goes into the quality and benchmarking section, which is just before the rollout of the trailer. Now I'm told that the trailers roll out in a span of about 24 minutes at this facility. When it's a well-oiled facility and they have the scale, they are able to roll out a trailer in 24 minutes. Torsional stability is something that is checked very seriously, and then of course you have to comply with the ISO 9001-2015 standards. The trailer industry is very strictly complying to AIS-113. Going forward, also the advancements that you are seeing in the organized side of the business, it will be strict compliance to fulfill domestic needs.